Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to customize your push notifications in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now first let's open up our TikTok app. Now let's pause the video, and now to customize our push notification, we must first go to our profile. You can see the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. Tap there, and after that you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Tap there. After that you must go to the settings and privacy option which has appeared. Let's tap there, and after that we must search for the option named push notifications over here, and you can see it's the first one under the category content and activity. Let's go inside of the push notification option, and after see these are all the push notifications you have been receiving. And if you want to customize it, you can customize it from here. If you don't want likes to be notified to you, you can just tap on the toggle icon to the right side of the person. You will not be getting notified from likes. Similarly, if you don't want to be notified when you get comments, tap on the toggle icon of the comments. When you tap it, it will turn to gray, which means that now you will no longer be notified when somebody comments on your TikTok video. Similarly, if you don't want any new followers, or similarly if you don't want any notifications when anybody follows you, just tap on the new followers toggle icon at the right side. It will turn gray and it's off. Similarly, these are all the push notifications you will receive. Repost, same thing for them, and profile views also same thing for them. If you tap on it and the toggle icon turns to gray, you won't be receiving the current option which you have turned off or turn the gray for the toggle icon. Now since I want to receive all the push notifications currently in my TikTok, I will not be disabling any of the push notifications over here, but to show you only I have done it. And if you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. And thank you guys. And note also that if you do not wish to receive any notification, you can change the notification settings on your device. That's another thing. And guys, there it is. Peace.